Hello, my name is Christopher Davis, and this is my IB internal assessment for computer science. My candidate number is 00011900014. So basically, this program that I've created is a database program inside of Eclipse using three main classes. These classes are the MYC database, an MYC dialog, which communicates with the user, and a participant class, which basically is what my database is keeping track of. So in my database, I have 5 buttons inside of it: add, remove, open, edit, and save all. In my class, these buttons are used for the program user to interact with the program. First, we're going to go ahead and open up a previously opened document. We're going to go inside of the desktop. I'm going to go through and I'm going to open up MYC sample. This is a previously created text file using this database program, and I'll further explain how it works. So now that it's been added, you can see that it lists the names of different participants and different attributes such as the insurance that they've paid, have the money that they've paid, etc. So let's go through and show how it's added. So let's go and add a new participant and make the dialog box a little bit bigger. Let's say his name is Jimmy, and Jimmy here is going to have paid about $17.13. This is about how much he owes. Has paid so far to youth conference. Overall, you owe $135, so the amount that is due gets subtracted from that. Let's say no, he's not participating in the pageant. Yes, he wants to play basketball, and no, he does not want to participate in the volleyball tournament. His insurance company can be something simple like MetLife, as long as it's a string, it works. And let's say that yes, he does have permission. So in a second here, I'm going to go ahead and save this into the participant. There's a message that says he's playing basketball just to show that it's receiving it in the program. So you see that it comes up in the database. Jimmy from MetLife, he owes $117.87. That comes from $135 minus the amount of money received. And then it says what he will be participating in. And this is used throughout all the users. For example, if somebody else isn't participating in something, it'll show that they aren't. If they're participating in two things, it'll show both of what they're participating in, and so on and so forth. Also, if they don't have permission, a message will show up saying that they do not have permission, because that is a very big deal for the conference. If you don't have permission from your parents, you can't attend. If we want to go ahead and edit a participant, we have to make sure that we click on somebody's name. If we don't, an error message will show up. So let's say we want to edit Jimmy. We're going to go ahead and make Jimmy a little bit bigger. And let's say he wants to change his name to James. He wants to be a little bit more professional. So we can go ahead and do that here. And let's say that he wants to also participate in the pageant. So when something is changed and you save that change, it will show up in the database program. The name is changed now. And at the end, it shows how he participates in more than one event at this point. Say we want to remove someone, the similar way that you have to do it, you have to make sure you click someone, you click remove. When you do so, it'll have a message. You have to confirm that you want to delete it. Say we change your mind and say no, and you click no, it'll keep the video the same, keep the program the same, nothing will be deleted. But say we say yes when we delete it, it'll make sure that the participant is removed from the list, and this cannot be undone. Say we want to remove somebody else from the middle of the list, just to make sure it deletes the right person. You click remove, and again you click yes, and that person goes away. The next item becomes that item on the list, essentially. So now that we've finished doing this, we want to save our program. We're going to go ahead and press save all. You go through and it has to be saved as a text file .txt, so let's call it test5.txt. We're going to save it onto the desktop just to make sure it shows up right away so we don't have to look for it. Click save. Alright, let's move that stuff out the way. Now you can see it on the screen. It's come up as test5 right here in the center of the screen now. When you open it up, it's saved as a text file with it's separated with the delimiter, the colon, in the file. It's going to keep all the elements separate. In this way, when it goes back into the program, it can be read without being corrupted. because a colon is not something that will be used to enter any data into this program. So overall, this is just showing that it works and it does save the file to a different format. Thank you for watching, and again, my name is Christopher Davis. My candidate number is 000119014. Thank you for your time and have a great day.